Good morning, everybody. It's Tony Bleasdale, the Mayor of Blacktown. I'm right downtown here in the Blacktown CBD. As you can see behind me, construction of the multi-story car park is now underway and taking place. This is one of our major transformational projects that we are so proud of. So you will be parking your car here sometime in the future. It will be a great place to park your vehicle, park your car, and also shop in the CBD of Blacktown City. We are delighted today. We have the biggest crane in the city up on site.
I'm here with the Mayor, Tony Bleasdale, in the Warrick Lane car park, literally over the excavation. Behind us is the great new tower crane that our wonderful builder, AW Edwards, has put up. Really happy with the working relationship between our council staff and the building team from Edwards. They're doing a really wonderful job.
We are so proud to be a part of this development, and I hope that you will be when we finish the project.